Hey, welcome back to LR Options. In this video, we're going to go over some stock chart analysis with Twitter, Tesla, and Uber stock. So let's begin with Twitter. On Friday, the stock opened with a strong red bar. Okay, there was strong selling in the market for Twitter. And it passed the 20 moving average, the 200 moving average. It went underneath it. And usually once it hits the 200 moving average or the 20 and it passes it, it acts like a rubber band, I would say, and it just takes off. Okay, it's like gives it some like energy. It just takes off. I mean, that's the way I feel. That's usually what I see in these stocks. And it continues to fall. Then you have a confirming red candle. Okay, and just remaining in the trade up to this stage. Okay, you could have exited. That would have been a nice profit. Now you've got a green candle. Okay, just seeing the green candle, a lot of people will say, okay, I'm going to get out of this trade. Again, we're in the 15-minute time frame. Okay, you've got another green candle. Okay, and it's moving up. It's doing a pullback. You've got a red candle. Now you've got some buying going on, some selling. So what you've got is a little bit of a range going on. So the selling what it has done is it has slowed down for the middle of the day. Okay, then we start to see a little bit of selling continue at around 1:15. Okay, you see 4 small red bars. So you see some selling going on. It comes down to 33.24. Okay, then you see a green bar. So you see some bullish action here. All right, it goes up to the 20 moving indicator. Then you see a red bar. Then you see the sellers come back into the market, and it closes at 32.99. All right, so that's it for Twitter for Friday. Let's look at Tesla. Again, basically the same scenario. Tesla opened up. All right, bearish red candle. Strong selling. Okay, second candle, very strong candle. Third candle. All right, then it's taking a break. It's pulling up a little. Okay, this would be a good time to exit your trade if you got into the trade early on. All right, it's right underneath the 20 moving average indicator. All right, now you have a strong selling continue in the market for Tesla. And this is around 11 o'clock. Continues with 2 more red candles. All right, a green candle. You could have gotten out there too. Some more selling. Then you have some buying. All right. Selling continues at around 2 in the afternoon. And then it just consolidates or ranges until the end of the day. And it closes at 795.28. All right, now let's look at Uber stock. All right, so let's see what Uber is doing. Uber is in a downtrend. Okay, when the market opens, it gaps up from its previous close of 30.40. It gapped up to 31.36. All right, it was a strong red candle, a lot of selling. at the beginning of the market open. Okay, it rested for a bit. We have an appearance of a green candle. It rested there for a bit. Then it continued with a small red candle. Then the buyers came in. You see 2 green bars. Then you see some more selling. All right, then you see some buying going on from 11:30 to around 1:45. And then it just goes down, sells for a little. But it mostly, it looks like it's ranging a bit. So, this would have been a profit if you would have gotten out once it hit the 20 moving average indicator and then seemed to bounce back up. Or if you would have gotten in later on in the day or later on in the morning. Okay, and exited your trade once it came to the 200 moving average indicator. But all right, so let's see what else we have. Okay, let's look at one more stock. Okay, let's look at Visa. Same thing, Visa also gapped up from the previous close. Strong selling in the beginning. Then it seemed to range for a bit. Some selling came back on. And then the bulls, or it became a bull market there for a little while. And then it continued to sell until the end of the day. All right, so if you haven't subscribed, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, comment, share, and let everyone know what we're doing here at LR Options. It helps the channel to grow, and we appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.